How to bridge the ARSE token between Polygon and Makachain. First, go to bridge.makachain.io and connect your wallet. In this example, we will use MetaMask. Once the wallet is connected, select the source network and the destination network for the bridge. In this case, the bridge will be from the Polygon network to the Makachain network. Next, select the token to transfer. The ARSE token is selected by default. Then enter the amount of tokens you want to bridge. In this example, we will send 100 ARSE. After that, select the destination wallet where the tokens will be received. If you want to use the same wallet that is currently connected, simply click the Self button, continue with the process, and click Send to Makachain. MetaMask will ask you to confirm the transaction. Approve it, wait a few seconds, and confirm again when prompted. Once this step is completed, the transaction will be successful. The bridge process can take between 3 and 5 minutes, during which the ARSE tokens will be transferred to the destination network. To verify the transaction, open MetaMask and switch to the Makachain network. If the ARSE token does not appear automatically, you can add it by clicking Import Token on the Makachain network. Finally, you will see the ARSE token successfully received on the Makachain network.